Hey guys, it's Sydney, your Sunny Health and Fitness trainer. Welcome to your beginner core circuit. We have a variety of exercises for you guys today, and we're going to be doing 30 seconds of exercise to 10 seconds of rest. So we'll definitely get our rest going, but we're going to be working out for a full 10 minutes. So this will be a really great workout. So head on down to your mats and we'll get started. We're going to start with crunches. So lay down on your back. We're going to cross our feet and get crunchy. Make sure that when you're doing your crunches, you're keeping your head and your neck nice and tight. We don't want to be moving that area. We're just focused on crunching the abdominal region to bring the top of our body upward. All right, great job, and take a little rest. Next, we're going to be switching into penguins. So you're going to be just tapping the heels of your feet. All right, and we'll get started in 3, 2, 1. Keep your core nice and tight and engaged during this exercise. We're working our abs and our obliques through this movement. Right, and take a little rest. Next up, we have an ab hold. So we're just going to hold our legs straight and bring them slightly down. We're going to be holding that for 30 seconds and go. Nice and easy. Keep that core engaged. Nice, easy breathing. And 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Next we have slow mountain climbers. So we're on our hands here in a little plank position and go. Just focused on bringing that knee up to that elbow, keeping a nice and tight plank position. No need to be fast. We're going to go slow and controlled with this movement. Really feel that ab engagement through every knee crunch. Keep breathing. All right, take a little rest. Right after this, we're going to do a plank hold. We're going to be down on our elbows, right back in that plank position. All right, bring it down and go. Nice and easy. Engage those glutes and those hamstrings. Keep that core nice and tight. Great job, guys. Almost there. 10 more seconds. All right, and bring it down. For next exercise, we're gonna flip back onto our backs and do some Russian twists. And go. So the only thing on the ground right now is my butt. If you need to modify this exercise, feel free to just set your toes and your heels right on the ground. This exercise, I'm bending back to touch my elbows to the ground, really engaging that lower core. And stop. Take a little break. Our next exercise is reverse crunch. So bring it on down to the ground. All right, and let's get started. Extending those legs out and rolling it all in, picking up that butt at the end of that motion. Really engaging that core to draw those glutes up and off the ground at the end of this. Great job, guys. And take a little rest. Next we have Flutter Kicks. So feel free to stick your hands under your butt if you want to, or just right at your sides, and go. We're just doing small, quick kicks up and down with both legs, alternating that movement. The rest of our body nice and tight, especially that core area. Keep that core engaged. And take a little rest. Next we have toe taps. So our legs are going to be straight right above our body, and we're going to be reaching up to touch our toes. If you can't touch your toes, no problem. Just touch your shins. All right, let's go. And stop. Great job, you guys. We're almost through, just a few more exercises. We're gonna flip it over on our hands and knees and do a little bird dog. And let's get started here. So we're reaching out with opposite arm and leg, and we're gonna crunch it in the middle. Really engaging that core on the way in. Keeping our hips nice and tight through this whole motion. Great job. Take a little break, and then we're going to switch it to the other side, doing the other arm and other leg. All right, let's get started. With this exercise, we're really working on balance. So trying to keep our entire body locked into place requires a lot of core stability. Putting that into practice with this exercise. All right, guys, and bring it on down. Great job. Back over to our back. Next up, we have bicycles. And go. We're going opposite knee, opposite elbow, reaching across to touch. Really working on our obliques here, as well as our abs. And down. Awesome job, you guys. You guys are doing so great. All right, next up we have scissor kicks. So stick those legs back up, hands under your butt if you like. And we're crossing our legs over the top and under. Nice and tight core. Easy breathing. Five more seconds. And 3, 2, 1. All right, we're going back into a plank hold. So flip it on over. Down on our elbows, and let's go. All right. We got our glutes and our thighs working, holding us in place here. Our core nice and engaged and tight. We're not sticking that butt up in the air. Our entire body is in a nice straight position from our shoulders down to our heels. Keep breathing. You guys got this. This is the last exercise of the workout, so stick with it. 5 more seconds. In 3, 2, 1. Whew. Great job, you guys. What an awesome workout. If you guys want to keep on working on that ab strength, I encourage you to continue doing this workout. You will get better as it as you keep on trying to work on it. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for joining me.